Introducing Gemini 2.5 Pro, the most advanced version of Gemini yet. Smarter, faster, more aligned with how you think, work, and create. Developers can now build and iterate faster than ever, with real-time code generation, intelligent debugging suggestions, and seamless integration with your favorite tools. Built on a next-generation architecture, Gemini 2.5 Pro brings breakthrough reasoning, deeper understanding across modalities, and industry-leading performance in over 30 benchmarks. This is more than an upgrade, it's the future of intelligence. Personalized, powerful, and profoundly helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.